So I just want to briefly talk about how we define a hybrid, so we can move on and customize a class for ourselves. Because this is where we started. We just blended, and then it was face-to-face versus online, like a big battle, you know, pro and con. And we don't approach hybrid learning this way anymore. But that's where we started, and this is where we're at today, where we're blending using a lot of different components that make sense for us. So a lot of us assume, and I just wanted to bring that up, that that's how we blend, face-to-face, online, done. You know, some components, but we've really evolved from that. What we're looking for in a hybrid class, because it's not 50-50 anymore. You've got to blend to meet the needs of your students and what you want to hope to accomplish. A hybrid definition, or a good place to start, is that it's where face-to-face and distance learning methods are combined, and they provide students with the benefits of both delivery styles. You're providing learning activities in an online class that give the student benefits. And research is showing that when a hybrid works, it's viewed as a continuous learning process, and it allows you as an instructor to really put a variety of course content in your class. All right, you don't have to just use a lecture. You can have a web quest, or you can have a TED Talk, or you can have a collaborative document. So it gives you, an instructor, a great benefit, because you can use different kind of course content that you might have not explored before. And it's highly interactive. You're asking your students to interact face-to-face and online as well. So it's a very interactive experience for them, and it helps build those 21st communication skills that they need. And eventually, it develops an inclusive learning environment, because the environment starts in class and moves on to the online portion as well. We're kind of defining it differently today too, so I wanted to cover that we're not blending 50-50 anymore, and we're really looking for an enriching experience for the students as well. Oh, and there's great learning and teaching flexibility as well, because you could put parts of your lessons online, you could do webcast, you could do a conference, so there's a little flexibility. All right, so your next question is probably what makes an ideal learning climate? And I like to bring this up during course planning, because we're planning a course, and we want the course to be successful and relate to our students. So research is showing that the ideal hybrid learning climate will facilitate student learning. It really communicates ideas effectively, so sometimes that requires us to put more text in our online portion. It demonstrates an interest in learning on the part of the instructor, both in the face-to-face and online portion. It is organized effectively so students can find things, and there should be some respect and consideration of student learning styles in the online and face-to-face portions as well, and does assess student learning and progress fairly. So I think they've been doing 15 years of research on hybrid learning now, and those are like the general principles or values that will result in successful hybrid experience for your students.